Z08 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And this one pretty much speaks for itself. Wow. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ. Listen to this. On the odometer right now, 599 miles is all. Clean Carfax. Carfax indicates one owner, no accidents, and actual miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front end in this one. Torch red, jet black interior. Of course, the 5.5 liter V8 power. It's paired up with an 8-speed dual clutch automatic. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it from the underside. You'll see the engine bay, interior, storage area. And those still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. If you'd like to see a copy of the window sticker, feel free to consult with a sales associate. I'll go over a few highlights of optional equipment on this car besides just the standard Z06 equipment. One of them is going to be the brakes behind there. This does have the carbon fiber aero package as well as the Z06 Ultimate Performance package, where you get the Brembo ceramic brakes. And of course the carbon fiber aero package, we're going to have the high wing in the back, dive planes, the carbon fiber ground effects, which you can see. Yes, paint shows as you'd expect in a car with less than 600 miles. And since that's the case, Jason will not be doing a driving video of this car. This car is going to stay indoors on our showroom floor, FYI. We'll start it up though and let you hear it run. Take a peek at the engine bay. There's that high wing. What a look. Impressive cars, no doubt about that, and a lot of bang for the buck. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, this one does have the Z06 Ultimate Performance package, as well as the carbon fiber aero package. Michelin Cup 2 radial tires. This car has not been tracked. Z07 suspension. You can see that paint looks like it's still wet. I have not noticed any nicks, dings, imperfections. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little bit closer before we fire it up. Of course, like new in here also. That's what I mean by this one pretty much speaks for itself. And if you'd like to know any more information on the car, 507-386-1726. Number to call. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So there's your actual miles, 599. Trip meter is the 210. Of course, heads-up display, all your standard equipment that you're going to have, again on the Z06, heated and ventilated seats. Of course, this will have the removable top. You can go ahead and pop that engine compartment right there in the door. Idea how it sounds. Definitely some bark when they're under throttle, no doubt about that. You heard that at startup. Here it is. LT6 designation. Of course, you'd have the storage compartment in the rear and the storage compartment up front also. We'll make this one short and sweet. 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.